Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good night, everyone. I'm Muhammad Farid Hedianto, the HR Director from Google. I'm delighted to see you all here for this interview. We will proceed one by one. I hope this will be a fruitful and enjoyable experience for all of us. Let's start with the first candidate, Princesa Yuda Cahayani. Could you please tell me a little about yourself?
Hello, my name is Informatika Cahayani, and I'm Informatik fresh graduate from Universitas Ahmad Dahlan, and I have various experience related in programming. That's a little about me.
Interesting. Now I'd like to know about your strengths and weakness.
Okay, my strength is I'm able to work under the pressure, and I am able to adapt in new environment. And my weakness is that I need to be plotted by someone to make a good work.
Thank you for sharing. What are your short-term and long-term goals?
Okay, my short-term goal is to be accepted in your company, and my long-term goal is to be able to improve your company your company uh, to enhance your company work ability. That is
Great.
my long-term goal.
Okay. Where do you envision yourself in 5 years?
I want to see myself in a higher position in your company.
If you could change one thing about your personality, what would it be and why?
I will change myself into a better version of me, that I don't need to be plotted by someone else to make a good work.
I see. What does success mean to you? And what does failure mean to you?
Success means that I am able to get up when I fail, and failure is when I'm not able to get up if I get fail. Okay.
Lastly, why should we hire you?
Because I'm a fast, because I can adapt fast in new environment, and I'm able to work under the pressure, and I'm doing research about your company, and that's why I am want to be part of your company. That's all.
Thank you for your time and response. We'll get back to you soon. Now, let's move on to the second candidate. Mr. Denta Septian,
Yes, I'm here.
could you please introduce yourself?
Okay. First of all, thank you for the opportunity to be here. And finally, I come to the final stage, which is an interview. And hello, my name is Denta Septian Avandi, and I'm a freshman, a fresh graduated, from Ahmad Dahlan University, and I'm working in the field of informatic technology. And I'm pretty have a lot of various skill in programming, such as Python, and Rust, Swift, and Ruby. And for the other, like personality, I will say that I'm a perfectionist person. I think that's all for me.
Thank you. What strengths and weakness can you bring to our team?
The strength and weakness. Okay. I think I will answer it in a hard skill and soft skill, and I have a pretty hard skill in strength, which is a problem solving, and I'm pretty good at Python programming, and I'm pretty have a strong mathematical. And for the soft skill one, I'm pretty good at public speaking because I was an assistant that teaching other students how to do stuff using the application such as programming, and learn them how and teach them about algorithm and a lot of stuff.
What are your short-term and long-term goals?
Short term, short term in industry. I will say I will adapt to the work environment as first uh, my first goal. So we have to adapt to the work environment, and for the long term, I will try my best to have a lot of contribute to the industry and make this industry, Google, as pretty famous industrial, pretty strong and famous, and more improvement to become.
How do you see yourself in 5 years?
How do I see myself in 5 years? Okay, I will achieve a higher position in job, of course, because I'm also an ambitious person, so that I will achieve as far as I go, as high as I go.
If you could change one aspect of your personality, what would it be and why?
I think maybe because, as I said before, I'm a perfectionist person. Sometimes it comes to when I got stressed and burnout. So I want to change a little bit of my perfectionist, so that it's to become to a lazy person, because lazy person is not really that bad, because they always come up with a solution and simple solution to do a lot of stuff. So I will try to adapt these two, from perfectionist and a lazy. I think that's it.
Okay. What does success and failure mean to you?
Success and failure. Okay. Success for me, it's mean winning at achieving something, and at any point. So it's not supposed to be you have to be rich. That's called success. So it's not that. For me, when you achieve your goals, that's a success too. And for the failure, I mean, it's when we are losing and also it's not something like in competition or what, but also when you are not capable to achieve your goals, you're not capable to do things that you have put a lot of effort on it. So I think that's failure means to me, and success.
Lastly, why should we hire you?
Why should you guys hire me? I think it's based, as I said before, for my CV and also my application letter. I think I have a pretty strong uh, evidence that I have a pretty good skill and also a soft skill too. And I think I will give a lot of contribute to this industrial Google. I think that's it.
Thank you for your time and response, Mr. Denta Septian. We'll be in touch.
You're welcome.
Lastly, let's proceed with the third candidate, Mr. Akyas Zaidan.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. Could you please tell me a little about yourself?
Okay, thank you for the questions. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Akyas Muhammad Zaidan. You can call me Akyas. I am now 22 years old, and I am currently studying in Bachelor of Informatics Engineering from Ahmad Dahlan University. In university, I was the assistant lecturer in my department for 2 years and the chief of the student executive board for a year. I'm a graphic designer with 2 years of experience in infographic design and social media management. I have strong design expertise, including skills using various graphic design software such as Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign. I also have the ability to understand client needs and create effective and engaging designs. Maybe that's all.
What are your strengths and weakness?
Okay. One of my strength is creativity. I always love to try the new things and come up with unique idea. In my previous position, I managed to create attractive and informative infographic design that won awards from clients. And the weakness for me is like I sometimes find it difficult to say no to others. I often feel guilty if I refuse other people's requests, even if it will cost me. To overcome this weakness, I am learning to be more assertive and prioritize my own needs.
What are your short-term and long-term goals?
Okay, my short-term goals is I want to improve my productivity by implementing more effective time management methods. I believe this will help me to complete my tasks on time and with good quality. And the long-term goals is I want to set up my own company in graphic design. I believe I have the ability to develop a successful company.
Nice. Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In 5 years, I want to become an expert in mobile application development and lead a new application development project that will increase the company's operational efficiency by 20%. Maybe that.
If you could change one thing about your personality, what would it be and why?
Uh, I am sometimes too detailed, like that is too detailed and perfectionist. So I want to learn to be more flexible and adapt to changing situation. Maybe that. Okay.
What does success mean to you? And what does failure mean to you?
Okay. The success mean for me is achieving a balance between a challenging career and fulfilling personal life. Uh, I want to continue to learn and grow in my work, but also have time for my family and hobbies. And the failure for me is an opportunity to learn and grow. I believe that everyone must have failed in their life, and that is normal. What matters is how we respond to those failures. I always try to learn from my failure and use to those learnings to improve my performance in the future.
Lastly, why should we hear you?
Okay. Uh, I am interested in the company's products and service, and I believe that I can use my skills and experience to help the company achieve its goals. I am also committed to learning and growing in my career. And I am confident that I can be valuable asset to the company.
Okay, thank you for your time and response, Mr. Akias Zaidan. We will get back to you soon.
Okay.
This concludes our interview session. I appreciate your time and effort. We will be in touch with each of you soon. Have a great day and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.